We're so fat we can hardly walk. All we do is sleep. Oh. Hi, Papa. Show me your eyes. Oh, Chinese eyes. Hi, baby. Okay, I'm just going to go back to sleep. Well, maybe I might get up and move. Hi, Pup. Hi, Pup. Hi, Pup. Hi. Hi. Well, these are Gloria's babies. And they just kind of do a lot of sleeping still.